walk is a little bit different than yesterday's. It is about 58 degrees again, so it's nice. It's 10:30 in the morning, but we wanted to get out early today because it's supposed to be a rainy, dreary kind of day. And unfortunately, within 2 minutes of stepping out the door, he was on his little ride-along scooter toy, and then it started to kind of sprinkle, so he wanted to hop back in the stroller, which is fine because then I can actually walk at a little bit of a faster clip and actually get a kind of small workout in. But thankfully, it's only just lightly sprinkling, so he's covered up. He's in there playing with his puppy and his blanket that's keeping him dry. And I get to see we're seeing some geese and some ducks. Yeah, you hear the quacks. And I think you're actually hearing the geese. They go honk honk. And even though it's kind of a dreary day, it's still nice to just get outside for a few minutes and just breathe in some fresh air. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, keep smiling, guys.